country lane. W's for whale splashing in the sea. X is for sunfloom playing with glee. Y is for yak with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra on the alphabet boat. Choo choo goes the